everyone, welcome to Maths IAC. Here's another GCSE and IGCSE chemistry exam question. This question is about structure and bonding, and it's also about separation techniques. It's a good question, 6 marks. Please pause the video and give it a try. When you're ready for the answer, press play. A mixture of sodium chloride dissolved in water needs to be separated in order to obtain dry, pure sodium chloride and pure water. Sodium chloride has a boiling point of 1465. Water has a boiling point of 100 degrees. We know that. Use your knowledge of the structure and bonding in sodium chloride and water to explain why there is a large difference in their boiling point. Describe how this difference allows you to select a suitable method to separate the sodium chloride solution into pure water and dry sodium chloride. Now, to understand what really happens, you need to think about the structure of sodium chloride. In sodium chloride, we have each sodium plus ion is surrounded by 6 chloride ions and vice versa, means the other way around. So, there are very strong forces which make the boiling point extremely high. Think about water. Water is a simple molecular substance. Now, between water molecules, you have weak forces. These are weak intermolecular forces. So, as the word implies, the forces between the molecules are relatively weak. So, that is what we can use to get a good answer to this question. So, here is a model answer. Sodium chloride is an ionic compound. It has a giant lattice structure where each sodium plus ion is surrounded by 6 chloride ions and vice versa. There are strong electrostatic forces between these ions, and it requires a lot of energy to break these bonds. So, sodium chloride has a very high boiling point. So, you can think about these kind of points about sodium chloride. Water is a simple molecular substance. There are weak intermolecular forces between water molecules, and it requires little energy to overcome these things. So, the boiling point of water is much lower. Look, we are comparing 1465 of sodium chloride with 100 for water, significantly less. Now, what's the separation technique? That would be simple distillation. Here you can see a diagram of how simple distillation works. Simple distillation can be used to separate water and sodium chloride. That will get you 1 mark. Put the mixture in a round bottom flask, this one, and connect a condenser. Heat the flask using a Bunsen burner, and water will start to vaporize at 100 degrees Celsius because it has such a low boiling point, which is significantly less than sodium chloride, which is really far away. Keep the temperature at this point, and water can be collected after being condensed.